friends, I am Pramila. I have started a YouTube channel by the name of Inquisitive Cook, through which I will be sharing recipes of Indian and international origin. So stay tuned. Cheese balls are a delicious crispy snacks made with potato, cheese, herbs and spices. This cheese ball recipe is a holiday must every year and it's incredibly easy to make. So let's start off. The ingredients for cheese balls are 2 potatoes, boiled and mashed, 1 green chili, finely chopped, half tablespoon ginger paste, 2 tablespoon coriander, finely chopped, quarter tablespoon pepper, crushed, 1 tablespoon mixed herbs, it is optional, quarter tablespoon cumin powder, half tablespoon salt or as per your taste, 2 sliced bread, white or brown, or 1 cup breadcrumbs, 5 cheese slices or you can use cheese cubes, any cheese of your choice, 1 cup cornflakes crushed. This all was for the dough, and now for the corn flour batter. 2 tablespoon corn flour or rice flour, 2 tablespoon maida or plain flour, quarter tablespoon pepper crushed, quarter tablespoon salt or as per your taste, quarter cup of water. Let's follow a few steps to make the cheese balls. First of all, in a large mixing bowl, take 2 boiled potatoes and mash them good. Add 1 green chili, finely chopped, half tablespoon ginger paste, 2 tablespoon coriander finely chopped, quarter tablespoon pepper crushed, 1 tablespoon mixed herbs, quarter tablespoon cumin powder and half tablespoon salt or as per your taste to the bowl. Add 5 cheese and 2 bread slices to the above mix. Mix and mash all the contents of the bowl together. We can add more breadcrumbs or slices of bread if the dough is still moist. It will prevent cheese balls from breaking. Make a non-sticky dough and let it rest for 10 minutes. Till the time the dough is resting, let's make the corn flour batter. For corn flour batter, take a bowl and mix 2 tablespoon rice or corn flour, 2 tablespoon maida or plain flour, quarter tablespoon pepper crushed, quarter tablespoon salt or as per your taste, quarter cup of water to prepare the batter. After resting the dough for 10 minutes, take small amount of dough and make a cheese ball, making sure there are no cracks. Dip the cheese balls in corn flour batter and roll them over crushed cornflakes, covering the ball uniformly. Fry the cheese balls in hot oil. Stir occasionally without breaking the cheese balls. Fry until cheese balls turn golden brown and crisp. Drain off excess oil by placing the cheese balls over a kitchen paper. And your cheese balls are ready. You can have them with the tomato sauce. Thank you so much, friends. Happy cooking.